Hey guys, welcome back. If you're returning, thank you. If you're here for the first time, thank you very much. Today we're gonna talk about a few things that I hope will help you relieve the stress or perhaps even save your lawn during a drought. So we're in a drought now, and adding to that, we started a heat wave. Days are like 90, 95, at least 90% humidity, and that just makes it impossible for your lawn not to go dormant. Cool season grasses naturally go dormant during a drought or high heat, but don't worry, everything should go back to normal once conditions improve. And the first thing I think we should talk about is keep watering your lawn even though it's dormant. But if you look hard in there and you just do one of these, you're still gonna see some green around the crown, so keep watering that. You don't want it to completely die or stress even further. So you should water efficiently. By efficiently, I mean high volume and less frequent. You have to be aware of the weather also. You don't want to be start adding too much water and then bring the grass back, from dormancy, and then, your drought continues and you still get no rain, and just wait, we'll be okay. The other one is mower height. I like to go about 4 during the summer. It keeps the grass greener. Also avoid mowing when it's too hot out. I see people out at like 11, 12 o'clock and the sun is just blasting, and then after they're done you can actually see the blade on the grass, so you end up burning it, and that's not a good situation. So do it early or late in the evening. That's better for you and better for your lawn. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Skip fertilizing. Don't fertilize. You're going through a drought. Your lawn is stressed. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. Most likely you'll cause damage to your lawn and you have to repair it. No herbicides during drought. You just, again, your lawn is stressed, so you just think that so is the weed, and it's not going to take the pesticide, so you're not going to be effective, and you end up burning the lawn, and it's just not a good situation. Just don't do it. And if you need to pull some weeds out, just do it the old school way. Grab it. Make sure you grab the roots out too. It's also best to hold off during drought on aeration projects. Just you're actually gonna expose more soil, so you're gonna dry the soil even more. So just avoid it. Really mown for, I want to say, about a week and a half. See how you guys probably can't hear that, right? The crunchy. And also another thing is, it's going dormant when you step it. See it? You can still see my step on it. So it's just, you're dry. That's just it. I don't know. Today is July 27th. We have had absolutely no rain. I think I had about 1/4 of an inch on the rain gauge. See how dry it is? Look, you step on it. See, you can still see your step. That's dry, guys. But unfortunately, I have no water in the barrel. So I'm just gonna not panic, you know, and just ride the storm out, baby. Just ride the storm out. And you know, the front, like I mentioned before, you know, it's pretty brown. It's crispy, actually. And I'm afraid I lost this area here. See it? So, what are you gonna do, you know? That section there under the trees here is good. Over there, but it's just crazy. I don't think I ever seen this bad before. Said this area is really bad here. Been able to keep this somewhat. You can still see some green on it. Then that's kind of what I want. You know, I don't want it to look burned. Again, guys, thank you very much for helping the channel. I hope you have a wonderful week. Yeah, the lilies spanking now. Got dragonflies and butterflies, sunflowers. I mean, it's fantastic. I wish we had a little more rain. Been like going crazy because, you know, I had all these plans and, you know, all just the ideas written down to what was I going to do during the summer, but it never works the way you want. So last year we had an awesome summer, and I believe the year before that, you know, I was able to keep the lawn green throughout the entire season. I did fine with 200 gallons of rainwater, and you know, we had rain in between, so it was awesome. This year, and it's just funny how it works. You know, I made the plans. I was like, all right, so next year I'll start the YouTube thing. You can't keep up, you know. Today we're about, I think it was 100, which is like, that's like back home in Brazil, man. Not gonna panic. I do think that the fact that we did the stress blend back here the most, I think is, you know, it's good. I like it. All right, guys, sorry, I just have a tendency to talk too much. Thanks again, and have a great week. Bye.